Hello everyone, I hope you are doing amazing. I want you to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for sticking with me. As some of you know, my channel hasn't been doing as I hoped, but instead it's been frustrations for putting in so much effort with no views. Instead of giving up, I want to ask for your help. This channel is for you, and I really want to create content that you will enjoy watching. Would you like to watch more adventure vlogs or more behind the scenes content at events? Maybe totally different content like travel Q&A or a day in my life video. Let me know what excites you in the comments, or feel free to send me a DM. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss the new and improved content on this channel. And also like, comment, and share this video. I can't wait to hear your thoughts, and I am excited to make the best content for you. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be among the first people to know and watch the videos when they drop on my channel. I'm looking forward with this journey with all of you.